I'm Rebecca Jackson, racing driver and motoring expert, and I'm showing Motorpoint and its car buyers how to do this and not this. Most winter driving videos will tell you what to keep in your car and to make sure your car is in good condition. While that is incredibly important, we want to share with you some practical advice on what to do if you get into a slide and ultimately how to be safer in winter driving conditions. I will be driving a front-wheel drive car, rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. If I turn the wheel and we continue to go straight on and don't go around the bend, that is called understeer. The best way to combat this is to straighten the wheel and turn into that steer before continuing with the corner. Most people's instinct when they've got the steering wheel turned and they're going straight on is to put more lock on. And then the car still isn't turning, it's still going straight on, so they lift off the throttle and then you get lift off oversteer, which can result in spinning. If there's too much throttle or too much speed going around a corner, the back end can start to step round. Now, while this may look cool in Tokyo Drift, it's not going to look so cool sitting at the side of the road with all of the airbags deployed. Plus, they use CGI in that movie anyway. When the back end of the car starts creeping round, that's called oversteer, and you need to turn into it and in some cases slightly ease off the throttle. If you overcorrect, you get a pendulum effect. And if you abruptly take your foot off the throttle or slam on the brakes, the car may spin. The main thing is look and steer where you want to go. If your car has all-wheel drive, that doesn't necessarily translate to more grip, especially in snow and ice if you don't have winter tyres fitted because of its sheer weight. So the best thing to do is respect its weight and drive a little more slowly. If you do get into a slide, and you're most likely to understeer rather than oversteer, which is go straight on when you've got the steering wheel turned, is to slightly ease off the throttle and turn into the slide, and then you can carry on with your corner. So that's it, all 3 cars done. Ideally though, we want to avoid getting into a slide altogether, and to do that, if it is icy, avoid driving unless you really need to. And if you do need to go out, moderate your speed. Fit winter tyres if you're going to be driving in temperatures below 7 degrees, and look out for shiny surfaces because that is a good indication as to how much grip there is. And if you are unfortunate enough to get into a slide, use the tips from this video.